Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can integrate LinkedIn with HubSpot, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my dashboard on HubSpot, and to get any integration up and working, you need to go into data management and then go into integrations. This is going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and click visit the marketplace to search for any app you might need. Now here, as you can see, there is a lot of apps which you might use. However, you have two for LinkedIn. One is LinkedIn ads and one is LinkedIn. I'm gonna go off on the, well, what's it called? I'm gonna suppose that you are interested in this. This is what you can integrate if you want to play ads for LinkedIn, but I'll just click on this one for LinkedIn. Here you can just go ahead and install the app. However, you do need to upgrade to a different plan to install it, and once you install it, just click here and follow the steps that are outlined. And the features of this app are very good. You can manage LinkedIn directly within HubSpot, understand how it fits into your social calendar, and publish pretty much anywhere, whether it's LinkedIn or HubSpot, and you'll see all the analytics on HubSpot itself. And that's pretty much how you integrate it. Now I'm going to go over and show you guys for LinkedIn ads. It's also it's actually a free app. I didn't expect that. But yeah, you can use this to get more money pretty much through playing ads or playing your ads on LinkedIn. And as you can see, you need to connect ad accounts to HubSpot if you want to play it. However, that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.